Morning folks. Well, as most of you will know, once you start lining your van with foil pieces, insulation and such, it's hard to get a signal inside it. Sometimes we end up with our phones, we're just sat in the cab and the phones are up against the windscreen in order to get some signal. So today I've decided to fit a 4G system into the van. Well, here's the setup that's going to go in. I've got the Nighthawk M1 4G router. It's a little mobile unit that takes a SIM card, which is supposedly on its way. We'll see about that one. And then I've got some SMA to TS9 cables to join the antenna into the little box, because it takes different fittings. And then we've gone with the Poynting 4G. It seems quite popular, it's got good reviews, and well, we're going to give it a try. One word on the router itself. This is just a grade A condition one. It's not a brand new one. There's a little bit of a scuff on the plastic there, but once that's taken off, I'm hoping that everything will be fine. A couple of little extras that I'm sorting out is, well, sorted out. I've made a bracket that used to be a piece of scrap metal and the handle off my welder, or some of the handle off my welder. That's going to be for mounting the antenna onto my uni-strut on the roof. So that's an addition. And then for taking the cables through my junction boxes, there's a cable gland. So yeah, here goes with the fitting. Okay, that'll do for now. I shall tighten that up when it's on the roof. The thing about building your own van is you can make yourself a hatch. There we go. Saves having ladders. Need to pass the nut over these two cables and the rubber sleeve, and we're ready for passing it through the wiring gland. So yeah, make sure they go on in that order, then you don't have to pull them all the way through again. Okay, just put that on loose and then we'll have the cable pull through. And that drops through the roof, through the ceiling and into one of the interior cupboards. So there's the ends, just coming down through the hole in the roof and the ceiling, and the other cables that are coming down so far unused are for my camera system that's It's already got the wires going through. I just need to mount the cameras properly, or find a way to mount the cameras. So we'll see how far this reaches. Oh. Okay, so that's the antenna. Swiveled it round slightly. Still clearing the hatch, still clearing the solar panel. Time for a tidy up. That's that job done. Well, the cable runs down that channel in the cupboard. It comes down there, yet to make a cover for that, and then down across inside a channel that I've made on the bed frame, and up into the first fuse box. So let's see where we can sight the wires through. The next thing is to put the adapter cables onto the end of the antenna cables. Tighten those up. Okay, that's those on. Okay, so the unit's ready to put in place. The wires are through on the fascia board that I've got, and it's going to be mounted on a couple of strips of Velcro after seeing the same unit mounted on Urban Van Life's channel. Check his vid out for another idea on fitment, and yeah, just got to hold that on there, and now we're waiting a sim to try this out, but it'll come in good time. So until then, signing off. Final update to fitting the Wi-Fi in the van. The sim arrived from EE just the day before that we went to the International Campervan show at Stratford, and it was fitted into the van, all set up and running, and we thoroughly tested it across the weekend. So this is it in situ. Really good reception, and it did well at the race course, thoroughly tested. So yeah, very happy. Well worth fitting into the van.